Western Union is a leading global money transfer service that processes millions of transactions daily across over 200 countries and territories worldwide. Every Western Union transfer is assigned a unique Money Transfer Control Number, or MTCN. This is a 10-digit tracking number that serves as the primary identifier for your transfer. Here's an actual Western Union receipt showing where you can find the MTCN. The tracking number is clearly displayed and often circled or highlighted for easy identification. You can cancel a Western Union transfer under specific conditions. The transfer must meet all four of these requirements to be eligible for cancellation. However, there are situations where you cannot cancel a transfer. If any of these three conditions apply, cancellation is not possible. Understanding these basic concepts about Western Union transfers and MTCNs is essential before attempting any cancellation. The MTCN serves as your key identifier, and knowing the eligibility requirements helps determine if cancellation is possible. Western Union offers 4 convenient ways to cancel your money transfer. Each method has specific steps and requirements. Method 1. Online cancellation through the Western Union website. This is the most convenient option for many users. First, log into your Western Union account at westernunion.com. Navigate to the Track a Transfer section. Enter your MTCN and sender's last name, then select Cancel Transfer if the option is available. Method 2. Mobile app cancellation. The Western Union mobile app provides a quick and easy way to cancel transfers on the go. Open the Western Union mobile app and sign into your account. Go to Transaction History, find your transfer using the MTCN, and tap Cancel if available. Method 3. Visit a Western Union agent location. This method provides immediate assistance and instant cash refunds. Visit any Western Union agent location with a valid government-issued ID and your MTCN. Complete the cancellation form and receive your cancellation receipt immediately. Method 4. Call Western Union customer service. This option provides personal assistance for complex cancellation situations. Call Western Union customer service at 1-800-325-6000 in the U.S. or your local number. Provide your MTCN and verification information, then request cancellation and receive a confirmation number. Now let's cover refund processing times and policies. The time it takes to receive your refund depends on your original payment method. Important refund policy details. You'll receive a full refund of the transfer amount. Transfer fees are generally refunded, but third-party bank or card processing fees may not be refundable.